In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a chart, change time frames, customize chart settings, and use the candle countdown with TradingView charts. By the end, you'll feel comfortable navigating the chart quickly and tailoring it to your trading style, all without getting lost in menus. Start by opening a chart. From your market list or watch list, tap the instrument you want to analyze. Think of something like a currency pair or a crypto symbol. Then tap the chart icon to launch its chart view. If tapping the instrument brings up a trade ticket instead, just look for the small chart icon nearby. Every platform places it slightly differently. Give your chart a moment to load and make sure your internet connection is stable so prices and candles update smoothly. Next, adjust the time frame. You'll see the current time frame label on the chart, often shown as something like 1H or H1. Tap that label to open the time frame picker. From here, choose what you need: M1 for fast, minute-by-minute moves, H1 for intraday structure, or D1 for broader trends. Switching time frames simply redraws the same instrument's data at a different resolution, so it's a great way to confirm a setup across multiple views. If your indicators look crowded after switching, don't worry, you can fine-tune them in settings. Now let's customize the chart. Tap the gear icon to open settings. Here you can adjust candle and background colors, grid visibility, and chart type, candlesticks, bars, or line, so the visuals match your preference. You can also choose between Exness charts and TradingView charts. Exness charts keep things clean and straightforward, while TradingView offers more advanced charting features and tools. Within the same settings area, consider enabling the crosshair, OHLC values, and bid or ask lines for extra detail. If you like the look you've created, save it as your default, so new charts open with the same style. For a candle countdown, switch to TradingView charts if you haven't already. Open the chart settings again and look for an option named something like Countdown to Bar Close. Depending on your app version, it may appear under Status Line General or a similar section. Toggle it on, and you'll see a small timer showing how much time remains before the current candle closes. If you don't see it, try rotating your device or zooming in. Compact layouts can hide smaller elements. That's it. Open the chart, change the time frame, customize the visuals, and enable the TradingView candle countdown to track each bar precisely. Keep your app updated for the latest features, and you'll be charting confidently in no time.